Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20 Lite, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, you want to obviously open up settings. From here scroll down to system and update, and then choose reset. And right at the bottom, the last option is reset phone, so we're gonna select that. And once you do, it gives you a message that performing this will remove things like your accounts, app data, and system settings, installed apps, music, photos, and other user data. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, maybe things like photos, music, stuff like that, well then back it up beforehand, or otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, you can simply progress by tapping reset phone. Now if you have some kind of protection in your device, you will need to confirm it. I do, as you can see. And from there you can now tap on reset phone, or also have the option to back up before you do. So I'm gonna go with reset phone, and this will immediately begin the process. Now this will take a couple minutes for it to finish, but once it has, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.